Hey, my name is Jesus Castelló for RubyGuides.com, and in this video you're going to learn how to use the Thor gem to build your own command line applications. So what is Thor? Thor is a very nice gem that allows you to write command line applications in a very easy way, because the problem is that you have to do it manually. It takes quite a bit of work. You have to actually work with the string, parse the string, do some regular expression matching, things like that. But if you use Thor, it will make things really easy for you. So let me show you what that looks like. First, the program looks like this. We can just run the program and it auto-generates a menu for you. The example application I built is a very simple to-do app. We can add a task, delete a task, or get the list of all of the tasks. Let's see how that works. I can add task, and notice that if I don't pass in the task name, I get this error. This is also automatic. Thor does this for you. So if you miss the name of the task, you get error, was called with foreign arguments, and you're supposed to give it some name. So let's do that. Let's add record YouTube video, which is what I'm doing now. And of course, because we have to pass it like that, it's all one string. Let's add another one. Write article, and then how about buy carrot? Then next we can list the task. List task, and there we go. There is my to-do list using this little example. So how does this work? Let me show you the code. I have Thor, which is the gem that does all of the hard work for you. Then I have pstore, and pstore is just a very simple file-based database to save our task. And then we have this to-do app class, and notice that it inherits from Thor, from the Thor class. Now let's look what's inside. Inside we have 3 methods with 3 descriptions. These descriptions is how Thor is creating the menu. It's taking these descriptions to create the menu, and then every method represents one of the commands that our application can do. If we take a look at the implementation of these commands, we can see it uses the pstore to save the task in this file, and then it adds the task, or it deletes it, or it can also list them. And this is how I'm using each with index for the order. As you can see here, they are marked 1, 2, 3. To do that, I'm using each with index. It's very simple, as you can see, to do this using Thor, because the only thing you have to do is inherit from Thor, and then just add a description to every method. And then everything else is done for you, because, and there is this line, of course. The last line says start the process, and this IRGB constant is the input to the program. So notice if I do list task, this list task is the option, is the command. This coming from this constant. And if I pass nothing, then that will be empty, and Thor will automatically print this menu. Notice that in no place in my class, in my code, have any code to generate the menu. It's happening because I'm inheriting from Thor and I'm creating this script. It is very useful, and it is something that's used by big projects like Rails itself uses this gem to build its command line interface. So if you ever done something like Rails new or Rails generate or anything like that, all of that is working through Thor. Hope you use this and create your own command line applications. So if you found this useful, give me a like so you know that you like this video. And if you have any questions, you can leave a comment and I will answer them for you. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, subscribe now because that will help you keep learning and keep growing your Ruby skills. So thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.